Wow, this is one of my anticipated kit to get for this year of 2025. This is the Shenma model 1:100 full armor Yakushiki with metal or alloy inner frame. The price is roughly about $50 US, but that depends where you're getting it from. So please ask your local seller for the actual price. Pre-orders were already announced in parts of Southeast Asia, so definitely I'm planning to get my own copy of this monster. Estimated release date is around August of 2025. I guess they took their inspiration of upscaling the Gundam Fix Figuration number 0023 Yakushiki full armor version. But compared to the Bandai version, I like the red gold hue applied on this version. And even if it's just standing, this presents a commanding presence on your display. And some additional pics of what this model kit can offer. Even the Storm Booster has a opening hatch gimmick. We get the standard weapons that we get from the normal Yakushiki and some exclusive for this version. As a bonus on the first batch, additional head and backpack with magnetic light will be included. Batteries are sold separately. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more update. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.